Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, today we will see Pendulum Library Python, current timestamps. In this tutorial, we are simply converting time zones to find the current time in different places of the world. And yes, the code will work if the module is installed in the Python package. To achieve this, quickly install Pendulum through cmd. Let's start. First type win+r, then you will see run program template. Type cmd in that template. Then install Pendulum. Like this command, pip install Pendulum. Well, Pendulum will give a current date, time, and timezone details. It also takes the timezone name as an argument to display timestamps at different zones. Now, you know how easy it is to know times at different places. But we will make this output more readable and our program dynamic with some creativity. What we actually gonna do is to split this output and display only date and time with the magic of Lady Speaker. Let's type the code, open any editor, and write this code. Now, run this code.
Hello everyone. I will convert time in desired time zones. Here's your current time zone with current date and time.
See how easy it was. We've just finished a good program using a simple function.